Hello everyone, today we'll be taking a look at this, the Skil 4-volt screwdriver. So let's head over to the workbench and we'll see what we have. But first I want to say thank you to everyone who subscribed recently. Thank you. Alright, so we're here at the workbench and in front of us we have the Skil 4-volt electric screwdriver. This kit currently sells for about 25 bucks on Amazon. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. So we have instruction manual, warranty information, the screwdriver, charger, and the kit that I got came with a couple bits here, a couple screwdriver heads here. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll plug this in, make sure it's fully charged, and then we have a little bit of a test to see how it does. Okay, so now let's take a closer look at operation. So I have the trigger here, we'll turn the screwdriver. Back here you have reverse, forwards, and you have the twist button here, so you can go from pistol grip to a straight grip. There's a light up front so you can see what you're doing. 2 bit holders here on either side. Back here is where you plug it in. It's not a detachable battery, it's internal. Comes with a USB charger. Alright, and that's about it. So next up we'll give it a little test, see how it does. Okay, so we're back, we're all charged up. And in front of us we have an old scrap landscape timber here. We have 4 different screws. And we have a 1/8 drill bit and a 1/4 inch drill bit. We're going to see how it performs. See what it can do. Alright. So first things first. So just a regular old drywall screw. Alright. This is a little bit larger exterior screw. Alright, strolled on that one but made it through. Alright, so next up we have a finishing screw. Alright. Again, had a little bit of a hard time, but got it through. Next up, it's a short cabinet screw. One-eighth. There goes nothing. Here's the 1/4 inch. Alright, and it bottomed out. That's it. That's all I can do. Maybe got an inch in there. Alright. That's not really what it's made for. We're just doing a test, see what it can do. So my overall opinion is you got what you pay for. Alright, this is 25 bucks. It came with this. Came with some bits. If you're doing machine screws, pre-drilled holes, it'll work out fine for you. This is just a little test to see what else I can do beyond that. If you need it for assembling furniture, stuff like that, it'll be great. Pre-drilled holes, all that stuff. And as you can see, if you needed to, can drive screws. And drilling a hole is a little bit out of its realm. Drywall would probably be able to go into if you want to do hollow wall anchors, stuff like that. But working with wood, as you can see from this, it's quite limited. Thank you for watching Maple Lodge Productions. Please like and subscribe.